Colourful Lover. My name is Moana and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. Today we are going to be looking at an app that can help you to learn Samoan while you're at home with your children. So the app that we're going to be looking at it's not so much an app as it is a website. It's digitaldialects.com. So digitaldialects.com has games in Samoan where you can learn colours. So if you look here, there's a text version. So you can learn to play the text version, which lets you learn the different words for the song, for the colours. So the colour will appear on the screen, then the disc appears. Yeah, so it's an actual game that you can play to learn your different colours in Samoan. Then they have the audio version. So I'll give you a run through of the audio version once it loads. So again, this is available online, so you can play it on your tablet, you can play it on your phone, or even on your laptop computer. It is completely free, which is great. And so there's a practice section where you can learn the different colors. So you press that and it goes through the colors with you. So you learn them before you actually start playing the game, so you know what you're actually doing. Okay. So we have Damon and Quincy who have tried this out for us, and so they're gonna tell us what they think about the app, how they played it, and what to do. Yeah, so whether or not they liked it. So here are Quincy and Damon.
Yole, I think you said. Is it red, white, blue, or purple?
Red.
You want to try red?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, lanu violet. Violet.
I thought it was red.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Red's my favorite. But I don't like pink.
Oh, sorry, I got out of the game. Alright, we'll start again.
Lanu moana.
Lanu moana. Remember from before, it's blue, yeah? Yes? Words?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lanu moana.
Lanu sama sama.
Lanu sama sama. And that one was yellow, wasn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was yellow.
Yep. That's right.
Lanu violet.
Lanu violet. I remember we got this one wrong, but it was violet. Purple.
Yeah.
Lanu moli. Lanu sama sama.
Lanu moli and lanu sama sama. Now, lanu sama sama is yellow, yeah? So we got to do that second. But do you remember which one was lanu moli?
Oh. Green.
Was it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll try green first.
Oh.
Oh, it was orange.
Oh, it was orange.
Lanu ena
But
ena.
they don't have
Lanu
any.
ina ena.
It's still orange.
Nah, lanu ina ena.
Oh.
Remember that was brown, I think.
No,
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Yep.
All I found was orange.
Lanu violet.
Lanu violet, remember?
Let's try that one.
Yep. Violet.
Lanu moli.
I thought
Lanu
it
sama
was
sama.
Lanu moli, lanu sama sama.
Okay, that's
Remember? It was orange and yellow. Cool. What do you think about these games, Quincy?
Good.
You're good? Yeah? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
And did you learn something from them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Would you play these games again?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, even I learned something from them. Being that I'm not the most knowledgeable when it comes to the Samoan language, I think that these are great tools for anyone that wants to learn more about language and dialect. So yeah, check these games out. And that's us, isn't it, Quincy?
Yeah.
Cool. And please like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, leave a comment if you want as well. And yeah, fa.